Hello everyone, this is Syed Araf Hussain and today I will talk about shortest common supersequence problem. To understand the problem itself, let us take an example. Suppose there are two strings, namely race and serial. Now we have to find another string that contains these two strings as sequence. A simple example can be race serial or serial race. Here both of them contains both race and serial. So race serial or serial race can be called a supersequence. Sequence means the order is important. So if we are searching for race, we have to be sure that we are getting it in this order, R, A, C, E. So if the supersequence is C, E, R, A, R, E, A, L, then we will find C, E, R, E, A, L sequence, but R, A, C, E is not there. In that case, that supersequence will not be common to both race and serial. So the supersequence must contain both the sequence in order to be a common supersequence. Now the shortest path. The length of the sequence has to be the minimum or the shortest. That's it. If the supersequence fulfills these conditions, then that supersequence is the shortest common supersequence of the given sequences. Now for the solution. Now if we want to only find the length of the shortest common supersequence, then there is a formula for that. Length of the shortest supersequence is equal to sum of lengths of given two strings minus length of LCS of two given strings. So for this example, length of race is 4, length of serial is 6, LCS is equal to CE, which means length of CE is equal to 2. So therefore length of shortest common supersequence is 4 plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 8. An example can be CEREALCE. Now let us find the shortest common supersequence. Now let's see the algorithm for finding length of shortest common supersequence first. Then using this algorithm, we'll fill up a table of length of the shortest supersequence of x and y. Then we use the algorithm for printing the shortest supersequence. And here is the algorithm. You can pause the video to get a better insight at the code now. For the previous example, let us find the shortest common supersequence. We will start with bottom rightmost cell. We will compare characters of x and y corresponding to current cell first. If they match, then we will append it in the output string and move one cell diagonally left. If the characters are not same, then we will compare the upper and left cell of the current cell. In that case, if the upper cell is greater, then we will append the current character of y to the output and shift one cell left, else we will append the current character of x to the output and shift one cell up. If string y reaches its end, we will add the remaining of x in the output string, else if string x reaches its end, then we will add the remaining of y in the output. Now if we reverse the output, we will get shortest common supersequence containing both the given string. Thank you for watching.